Hi guys, in this video today I'll be showing you two very easy and quick to make updos that you can make without hair gel, wax or elaborate extensions, just your hair and a few basic accessories. This is the second style and we'll be doing them in just a few minutes. You just need your stretched hair, comb, brush and the accessories you'll be working with. First of all, I just want to part my hair in sections, two sections, because of this particular style. It's easier to work with that way. It is better to work on pre-stretched hair, so make sure that your hair is well stretched out. Use the heatless method of stretching your hair, that is threading or even twist out, and leave it for a few days and the results will marvel you. For this front part, I am choosing to do flat twists. It's up to you. You can decide to do cornrows or inverted cornrows for this front part. But I want to do flat twist. And then I'll link it up to the back end. Just watch and see how it goes. This is the first and the only accessory that I'll be using for this hairstyle, and it's a hairband that I handmade myself. So you can choose anything of your choice. If you have something like this, you can also use it. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope that you love this hairstyle. If you do, please leave a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button if you are not already subscribed to the channel, so you can get easy updates as this one on how to make such hairstyles. Let's head straight on now to the second one, which is even easier than the first, and you'd see why I said so. You just want to have your hair brushed out so that it is easy to work with, and that's exactly what I did. I just combed it out and eventually used a brush to ease out whatever holes there may be within the hair. And yes, you'll be needing something like this, just a thread, a rope or anything that you use to, band your hair, because we need to have this hair in a band upwards, but it's just a half band so that you don't cover up the style in itself. So you also be needing that sponge up there. That's what I used to give the volume that I wanted the hair to have. And of course, you'll be needing a few pins, because you need to pin down the hairs. You need to pin down every single one that is flying around, because that's what the style is about. After making sure that you have every single strand all tucked in, you would need something like this strand that I am holding. I could have used anything for this, and you can also use anything for it, but I chose to plait extension just to use it to cover up that rope that we used to tie the hair earlier. And for the aesthetics of it, you want to make sure that it is covering it very well. The later part of it is just to ensure that you brush it all through. Remember, we're not using gel, we're not using glue, we're not using wax, no, nothing. Just this and we are done. This is another beautiful hair that if you added a few accessories, you can also use for your bridal style, if you please. Thank you for staying with me. Watch my next video, which is just right up above.